Make a great choice today with the 2026 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.